Hi, in this video I will show you how can we create live review notifications in our WooCommerce store. So here we can see live review notifications like this, and to create this type of live real notification in our WooCommerce store, we have to log in into our WordPress admin dashboard, then go to from plugin, add new plugin, and search for here ProofWP, and I have already installed and activated ProofWP. And after activating this plugin, you can see here a menu like ProofWP, and first we have to go to all review section to create reviews. And I have already created multiple reviews. For a test purpose, I'll create another one. Add a author name and author email and review content. And add product review rating and tag a product. I choose this one. Add image or video review, anything you want. Choose a image. I choose this image and click on save. So I have added a review. We have to create a widget to do real-time notification. So here we can see the notification widget. Select here and my real-time review notification. Then click on next and select how many reviews you want to select for this notification. I choose 10 and click save on next. So this is how it's looks like now, and we can add display conditions like will this real-time review notification will show entire website or only shortcode. So when we select shortcode only, then we have to copy this shortcode and paste any pages you want to show your notification. Or if you want to add entire shop and click on save and close, then this notification will show you entire website. For now I will click it, save it for shortcode only, save and close. And you can add here more settings and add style also, like I want to size to 80 pixel, 80, and also font size should be 12, author font size 12, and content font size should be 10 or 12, and decrease line height. So okay, author name font size we can make it 14 pixel. So this is how it looks like. So after all the changes, just simply click on save. And for now, if I want to show this notification in entire website, and click save and close and click on save, then it will show in my entire website like this. like this. So this is how we can create a real-time review notification.